Y'all, this is how the bundles look after I finished washing them with the process and method that I use. So if you want your bundles to look like this after you wash them, y'all, keep on watching. And I know these niggas mad as fuck. Bitch, I'm in a trap with you and we throw it in. I want that dope for real. These niggas ain't got no swag for real. And I know little bad, but bitch, I'm in my bag for real. What's up, Ray babes? So y'all, today's video is going to be me showing y'all how to wash used bundles for your next install. So these are the bundles that I'm using. I have 3 different sets. Some with just longer pieces, some with shorter pieces, and just a completely different length in the other set. And y'all, to wash my bundles, I am using Silk Elements, I believe, and I'm using their neutralizing shampoo and moisturizing conditioner. Y'all, I like to use a neutralizing shampoo when washing my bundles so that it gets all of the dirt, grime, and you can pretty much just restart new with the neutralizing shampoo. And it also restores the hair's pH balance. So once my water is warm, I go ahead and dip the bundles under the running water, and then I also begin to detangle the hair before I add any shampoo on. Told my girl to order and I need the kitchen. Yeah, they know I got the hook up, they just wait on me to cook up, baby. I heat up the stove, you do the dishes, you know. Rap game, crack game, make it different, you know. Now that the hair is wet and fully detangled, I'm going in with my neutralizing shampoo, y'all, and I'm going to run it from top to bottom. And then after the hair is fully saturated with shampoo, I'm going to go ahead and brush through it again just to make sure that all the ends are fully covered. Now that the hair has fully been lathered with shampoo, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it out. I believe I only did 1 wash on this set of bundles, but I think the next I did about 2 just to make sure that they were really clean. Okay, y'all, so now that my bundles are shampooed and conditioned, which I also left the conditioner in for this part, y'all. This is my first time ever trying this method, but pretty much what I'm doing is I'm grabbing just like reusable garbage bags or trash bags, grocery store bags, and I'm going ahead with the conditioner still in the hair. I'm placing the hair into the bag, and then I'm gonna tie it up and set it in the microwave for 25 seconds, y'all. I ended up doing 50 seconds because I really wanted my bundles to have that shine and deep moisture. But essentially this method is just an alternative to the boiling method, and all that these methods entail of is just giving your bundles a deep moisturizing treatment, y'all.
Okay, y'all, so now that my bundles have sat in the microwave for recommended of 25 seconds, but I did 50 seconds, y'all, I'm removing the hair from the bags, and then I'm rinsing out the conditioner with cool cold water, y'all, because you want to seal the cuticle and lock in all that moisture from the conditioner.
Going out of the way when I should've went home. Only time of the day I get to spend on my own. I was tripping off high, used to sleep at your crib. Should drive out right where you live and pick you up on the way. We ain't spoken so long, probably put me in the past. I can still get you wet and I can still make you laugh. You should call in to work if that ain't too much to ask. I could pour you up a drink and we could first come through, come through.
Okay, y'all, so this is how the hair looks after I let it air dry for about 48 hours, which is like 2 days, y'all. As you can see, there is a lot of shine and luster on the bundles, y'all, and I did not put any products, no heat protectants, nothing, y'all. This is straight from the process that I did to wash the bundles and then letting it air dry, y'all. And you should never blow dry your bundles because it can mess up the texture, y'all. I just learned that. I usually blow dry my bundles if I don't have enough time to air dry, but yes, y'all, look how flowy, soft, and this is how the hair looked after I got it installed, y'all. Thanks for watching, y'all. Make sure you subscribe and give the video a thumbs up if it helped you.